August, this is at least the fourth felony case in Portsmouth dismissed by a judge because of an issue stemming from the prosecution. Just yesterday, in the middle of the trial, a judge took the case out of the jury's hands, granting the defense team's motion to strike. The judge made it a point to say he's only done this twice in 23 years. In the manslaughter trial of Vincent McLean in Portsmouth, Judge H. Thomas Padrick Jr. found, quote, insufficient evidence to move forward.
Effectively, the court is ruling that the Commonwealth didn't prove their case and didn't prove it to a point that any jury could ever reach a valid guilty verdict based on those facts.
13 News Now legal analyst Ed Booth says, generally speaking, this doesn't happen very often.
Jeopardy is attached at this point, and the case would not be retried.
McLean, a now retired Portsmouth police officer, arrested 28-year-old Carmita Van Gilder in 2018. Forensic pathology experts testified heart complications from huffing and chronic substance abuse contributed to Van Gilder's death. Police footage viewed by the jury showed her coughing, leaning back and asking for water in the back of McLean's cruiser. Prosecutors argued McLean ignored warning signs and failed to provide basic care. Meanwhile, defense attorneys argued the former officer had nothing to do with Van Gilder's death.
I'm sorry about what happened. As I said, I was just doing my job.
Van Gilder's mother believes the case should have gone to the jury.
Disgusted, first of all, not surprised, very disappointed.
A statement from the Portsmouth Commonwealth's Attorney's Office says in part, quote, this office appreciates the hard work of officers daily as public servants to ensure safety in our city, but we will also never hesitate to demand accountability. And when asked for an interview with Portsmouth Commonwealth's attorney Stephanie Morales, a spokesperson for her office told 13 News Now the statement from the office will stand. Dana.
All right, thanks so much, Angelique. Any day now, McLean's legal team plans to file 2 civil lawsuits over, quote, malicious prosecution. Yesterday's acquittal marked the second for McLean in the last year. In July, a jury found him not guilty of a separate manslaughter charge.